I have a baby girl. Her name is Lily. She is 1 year old. My mom said she would help with the baby. I will take care of Lily, Mom said. You can go to work. I was so happy. I trusted Mom. She promised to help. When I got married 5 years ago, we had no home. My husband and I lived in a rented room. We wanted our own home, but homes are expensive. We made a plan. We will save money, my husband said. First, we will buy a small home. Later, we can sell it and buy a bigger one. My mom did not like our plan. She said, "Do not waste time. Buy a big home now." But we could not do that. We had no money for a big home. 2 years ago, I had news. I am pregnant, I told my husband. He smiled and hugged me. We had saved money for a small home. We wanted to buy it. But Mom said, "Do not buy a small home. Buy a big home. I will help you." Mom had a plan. "I will give you some money," she said. "Your husband's parents will also help. You will pay a little each month. It will be easy." Mom had one more idea. "I will take care of the baby," she said. "You can keep working. We will manage the payments together." It sounded perfect. "Thank you, Mom," I said. We bought a big home. It was a happy time. I was 9 months pregnant. I went to the hospital. My husband painted Lily's room. He worked very hard. Lily was born. She was small and sweet. I stayed home for 3 months. Then Mom took my place. She stayed home with Lily. We were so happy. "Thank you, Mom," I said again. My husband said, "Your mom is amazing." We paid the bank each month. We had a plan. I worked. My husband worked. Mom stayed with Lily. We managed the home and the payments. One day, everything changed. Mom looked at me and said, "I am tired. I cannot take care of Lily anymore." I was shocked. "But Mom," I said, "you promised to help." Mom said, "I have my own life. I want to rest. I have a right to my happiness." I felt sad. My husband felt worried. "What will we do now?" he asked. "Lily is only 1 year old. She cannot go to school yet, but we must pay for the home. I cannot stop working. My husband cannot stop working." "Can you find a new job?" Mom asked my husband. "A job with more money." I felt angry. "Mom, that is not fair," I said. "You promised to help us." Mom did not listen. She said, "I also have my life. I want to be happy." Now, my husband and I feel very tired. I'm at home with Lily now. I cannot work. I am looking for help. My husband works all day. He comes home at 8 p.m. We eat dinner, play with Lily, and sleep. Every day is the same. I call my mom sometimes. "Mom, please help me," I say. Mom says, "No, I am busy." I feel hurt. "Why did you promise, Mom?" I ask myself. Mom is happy now. She has new friends. She goes to the park. She goes to parties. I am sad. I take care of Lily alone. I do not sleep much. I do not rest. My husband works hard. I'm angry at Mom. She promised to help me. Now she says, I have my own life. Mom is also angry at me. She says, I want to be happy. You do not understand me. I look at Lily. She is smiling. She loves her toys. She does not know our problems. I tell myself, Lily is my daughter. She is my job. But I still feel angry. I look at Mom and think, you promised me. You said you would help. Mom looks at me and says, I gave you enough help. Now I need my own time. I feel confused. Is Mom right? I ask. Or am I right? Every day feels hard now. I wake up early because Lily cries. I feed her, change her, and play with her. My husband goes to work at 7 a.m. He works all day. Lily laughs when I play with her toys. I smile because she is happy. But inside, I feel tired. I look at the clock. It says 9 a.m. The day feels very long. At 12 p.m., I try to make lunch. Lily wants me to hold her. I hold her in one arm and cook with the other. It is not easy. By 3 p.m., I feel very tired. I sit on the floor with Lily. She laughs. I close my eyes for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, I think. But Lily starts to pull my hair. I wake up and smile at her. At 8 p.m., my husband comes home. He looks tired. How was your day? I ask. Work was hard, he says. He looks at Lily and smiles. But I missed her. He takes Lily and plays with her. I cook dinner. We eat together, but we are quiet. We are both too tired to talk. I look at him and say, what will we do? He says, I don't know. I will try to find a new job with more money. I know he works very hard. I feel bad for him. The next day, my mom calls me. How are you? She asks. I want to say, I am very tired, Mom. I need your help. But I don't say it. I say, I am fine. Mom says, I went to the park today. I met some friends. It was nice. I feel angry. I think, you have time to go to the park, but you don't have time for me. But I say nothing. I call my friend, Anna. She has a little boy too. Anna, I don't know what to do, I say. Anna listens. Then she says, it is not easy, but you are strong. You will find a way. I feel a little better. Thank you, Anna, I say. Anna tells me, maybe you can ask your husband's parents for help. I think about it. Maybe, I say. On Sunday, we visit my husband's parents. They are kind people. They love Lily very much. We eat lunch together. After lunch, I tell them, we need help. My mom cannot take care of Lily anymore. They look at each other. My husband's father says, we can help on weekends, but we are old now. We get tired too. I smile and say, thank you. Even a little help is good. They smile back. I feel a little better. That night, my husband and I talk. What can we do? I ask. He says, I will work harder. I will look for a better job. I say, I will take care of Lily. I will also look for a part-time job from home. It is not a perfect plan, but it is better than nothing. Every day is busy. I wake up early. I take care of Lily. I cook, clean, and play with her. At night, when Lily sleeps, I look for work online. I find small jobs. They don't pay much, but every little bit helps. My husband works harder too. He comes home late sometimes. I miss him, but I know he is doing it for us. One day, Mom comes to visit. She looks happy. She has a new dress and a new haircut. How are you, dear? She asks. I say, I am tired, Mom. Mom looks at Lily and says, she is growing so fast. I say, yes, it is hard, but she is a happy baby. Mom says, I hope you are not angry at me anymore. I don't know what to say. I look at Lily and say, I am doing my best, Mom. Mom sits down. She looks at me and says, I know you are angry at me, but I also want to live my life. I say, I understand, Mom, but it is hard for me. You promised to help. Mom looks sad. I did not think it would be this hard, she says, but I love you. I want you to be happy too. I feel tears in my eyes. I say, I love you too, Mom. I just need some help. Mom says, I can help on some days, maybe 2 days a week. I feel happy. Thank you, Mom. That will help a lot. Mom smiles. She hugs me. My husband finds a better job. He is not home as much, but we have more money now. Lily grows and learns new things. She can say Mama and Dada. She makes us smile every day. Our life is not perfect. Some days are still hard. I still get tired, but I feel stronger now. Mom visits us more often. She plays with Lily. I feel happy when I see them together. My husband says, we are doing our best. That is enough. I look at Lily and smile. We are a family, I say. We will be okay. Learned something important. Life is not always easy. Sometimes people change their promises. But we can still find a way. I love my mom. I know she loves me too. We are not perfect, but we are family. If you enjoy the story, please like, subscribe, and share.